Okay, we got the first Rust-Oleum rust primer, light rust primer on there. We used phosphoric acid, and it heats rust. It'll leave a little white on the thing. Then we wash it off, kind of rub it and make sure it's all off. Hit it with a wire wheel from angle grinder. Okay, right there. Whack it down, and then we put on the rust primer. We're just doing the first section first so that we can get the 60-inch toolbox mounted up and have a place to put tools on the trailer. Hopefully be a little more organized. But yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. Phosphoric acid. Oh, I don't know where it went. You can get it from Amazon. And it's just due to energy, phosphoric acid. You want 60-70% water and 30% phosphoric acid. You always add an acid to water, never add water to an acid. There's a small exothermic reaction. It's not bad. It's not going to jump out of the bowl at you, but should be a little careful when you do it. Wear eye covering and maybe gloves. It's not super caustic, but a little bit. And just leaves the white. It'll go ahead and eat the rust, transform the rust, and then whack it off with an angle grinder real quick and go ahead and paint. So there's a black enamel paint that'll go on this after it dries up, and we'll put the front toolbox in. It's coming. Working on it part-time, so it's not coming as fast as I would like, but the girls are learning, and they'll have a nice trailer.